Welcome back. Today's recipe is very easy. Super simple. We're doing a strawberry waffle as well as fried chicken. And this fried chicken is actually done in the air fryer. Very simple cake batter that we're gonna make out for our waffle today. So my waffle maker is ready to bake. I got some easy off spray oven here. Gonna spray it so it's easy release. Waffle batter is already ready. We're gonna do two 2-ounce scoops so we won't overflow and make too much waffle. If you kind of do it in the center, it kind of spread itself. You don't have to do much. So we'll close that and start on that while my chicken is making in the air fryer here. We're gonna do a chicken tender. That's out the air fryer, so we're gonna wait on our waffle here. Fresh strawberries already cut up. All right, think our waffle's ready. Perfect. So we're gonna place these chicken tenders on our waffle. We're gonna hit our tenders with a little of our house seasoning here. It's our house voila. And now time for the fresh berries. Kind of place your berries here. So now we're gonna top them off with the favorite little bit of the whipped cream and finish off with some syrup. Here we go, at home chicken and waffle.